Welcome to Zrosta. My name is Flo, and I've been bartending for 5 years. My favorite Spirits of Anarchy product is the Arte Black Vodka. And today, I'll be showcasing one of our signature Zrosta cocktails using Arte Black Vodka. This is the Nirvana. Arte Black Vodka itself has tasting notes of juicy blackberries, a bit of tartness, a bit of earthiness and florality, but also this nice peppery finish. We'll be starting off the Nirvana with 40 ml of the Arte Black Vodka. Then we will be adding 10 ml of a Salisa Amaretto. So this will be our spirits base, and then we'll be adding 50 ml of our house-made Morello cherry and vanilla shrub. And finally, 90 ml of our house-made coconut water mix. So this is the drink. The only thing that's missing is the carbonation. So I'll add this into a canister and add the CO2 after I've chilled it. And then it will end up looking just like this. The drink goes best in a Levitas highball with a spear ice cube. And I can simply just pour the drink on top. And finally, the garnish of the drink is an edible gold spray. And this is the final product, the Nirvana, using the Arte Black Vodka. If you want to find more recipes, visit us on spiritsofanarchy.com.